is thick, it holds its breath. A question hanging, life or death. Echoes, echoes, bouncing back. Words are lost, words I lack. Who's there? Who's there? I ask. Is it a memory? Is it a ghost? Am I the guest or am I the host? Every sound feels so close. Is it a memory? Is it a ghost? Am I the guest or am I the host? Every sound feels so close.